Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a PDF file with using Microsoft PowerPoint. So guys, if you want to make PDF file, then you use Microsoft Word. It's basically. So guys, today I will show you to make PDF file with using Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get started our video. So first go to your PowerPoint, open your PowerPoint first. Okay guys, this is your PowerPoint homepage. Then you use any format which one you want as your like. You can use any format like that. Use any one. Okay guys, I select it first, then type your any something that here, then make a lot of page like that. You can add lot of page here and type this page here, anything like that. Okay guys, in this way you can edit or create your everything you want, and you can add a lot photo, everything you can add here. Go to layout and you can add this format and you can add photo here like that. Anything you can add here, and after that you just type here, just click file. Okay, then not save, just go to export. Look at this is export point. Just tap export and here have create PDF XPS. Just click it. Okay, then sometimes it's document, sometimes it's selected document, but make sure it's PDF. Just select PDF here, then published it. Okay guys, look at this is your PDF file here. This is your PDF file. Look at this is your PDF file in here. So guys, in this way you can use or create a PDF file very easily. So you don't need to use any kind of look at this is your PDF which one you created recently. Look at this is PDF file. Look at this is PDF. So guys, in this way you can create a PDF file using Microsoft PowerPoint, not PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. You don't need to Microsoft Word. Thank you everyone for watching my video.